So there's a whole science behind body language to influence and success. So these are all the winner poses if you see. And let's go a little into details. Body language tips are essential for getting higher returns, increasing bottom line. Image consultants say that the people subconscious level, within 7 to 10 seconds, they decide whether they like you, they don't like you, they want to do business with you or they don't want to do. So your body language, including your non-verbal smile and everything, that is over 55% of your overall personality. Then another 25% is how you dress. After that, when you speak, your elevator pitch, how you convey your communication skills. Although the body language is also part of communication, but that verbal communication is only 20-25%. And where do we focus most on that 20-25%? So being a great leader isn't about what you say, it's all about how you say it. That Martin Luther King's speech, I have a dream. What a powerful speech. Change America forever. Or that John F. Kennedy, Ich bin ein Berliner in Germany after the Second World War. I mean, those were powerful speeches. Or our Modi's, Achhe din aayenge. We are still waiting. By the way, today is the day in history when Barack Obama was sworn in as US President. What a wonderful gentleman he is. So networking is all about making powerful first impression. That's where people decide that yes, whether they want to continue any kind of meeting with you, business with you, want to do anything with you, or stay away from you. So people assess you usually within first few minutes. I mean, it's few seconds, not even minutes. When you're meeting people, practice being an interested interviewer and an active listener. So you have to do your homework, some open-ended questions where you engage people in a very, very interesting way. And never look bored. This is the worst thing you can do. That have your boredom in your eyes and you are, looking here and there. Gestures also. That hand gestures are very, very powerful non-verbals. Remember that the hand gestures are good when talking to someone, but don't turn into jazzy hands like this, You're a music composer or something. And do not overhead gaze. You're talking to the person, then you're not looking overhead, who else is entering, who else is doing what, and looking here and there. Never do that. Now here, see how powerful this body language here is. Mohit and Gautam are like, मेले के घूमे हुए भाई. कल अब मिले जाके पता लगा हम तो यार एक ही घर में पैदा हुए थे. और ये these Hitesh and Rahul Sharma, how nicely they are engaged in conversation. Now look at here on this picture, left hand side. No one is interested in each other. No one is interested. And here see Samyak and Amit Chawla again. How they are engaged with each other. So be aware of fidgeting. This is also a sign of boredom and shouldn't be done during a conversation. And this is your closed body language. And this is open body language. Now, I am saying this. Pay attention. I am very happy to be here. Or I am happy to be here. Which looks better? So these small things, when you change in your gestures, in your body language, will create a lot of positive impressions. So uncrossed arms, smiling often. Even if you are having a bad day, but smile. Having a smiling face is much better than, even if it is a fake smile, is better than a bad face, Even if you are going through the hard time, it's okay to smile. It makes you feel better. Whenever I personally have a bad dream and I'm sweating at night, the first thing I do is smile and it goes away. All the stress goes away. Even if it is dark, I am with myself, I just smile. So that's the power of smiling. Loose shoulders and arm, unclenched face, leaning towards someone as they are speaking. I'll show you some more picture. Uncrossed leg. Now here, see this lady on the right hand side. Is she interested in this guy or no? Not at all. She's leaning backward. Go away, man. You are boring me to that. तुम्हारी बातें अच्छी नहीं लग रही मेरे को. And look here, they are leaning. Lean in and lean out. Keep in mind when you are having an interesting conversation. You want to create influence, get that business, get that order. Keep these things in mind. Crossed arm is a big no. Never do that. It's the biggest sign of boredom. You are closed. You are not receiving other person anything, whatever the person is saying. You are on your own. Match their movement. This is a NLP with a whole again full day subject for me. People who have done my NLP sales, how do you mirror each other? How do you rephrase the sentences the person is saying? Even point your feet. That's also part of building rapport. Nodding. Now I want to tell you one thing very interesting. Whenever I go to court and my lawyer is doing the argument in my favor, right behind I am standing and I keep doing this. And judge is looking at me. And over 90% of the time, if it is a small decision, I end up getting the decision and order in my favor. The talk is done by the lawyer and I am doing this. So when you are talking to me and you are explaining, Pawan, your product to me and I am nodding, that shows I am interested, I am understanding. And this seating is not a good seating while you are getting any business or negotiation. This is called confrontation seating. The best seating is one-to-one next to each other. Then you are on the same page. When you are negotiating with your buyer or something, try and move to the same sofa or the seat next to the person and then talk. कोई भी बहाना बनाओ, कुछ भी बनाओ, कोई पेपर उठाओ, ऑर्डर दिखाने के बहाने साथ में बैठ जाओ. You'll see the difference. If there are more people involved, then the round table is the best. You see on the right, this round table is a Vietnam War, around 200 some delegates sat on this table too, and that war which was lasting for many years. That could settle on the round table. The round table has got some significance there. And then when you are doing a office meeting or conference, then you know who is the boss and where the boss is sitting. So you have to make sure that you are sitting on the boss chair. So have a nice handshake, not that firm, पहलवानों वाला नहीं कि हाथ में दर्द हो जाए, just gentle and nice and firm and confident. Continue building rapport, display confidence, diffuse a strong argument with alignment. You need to align, never argue. And make a positive final impression. Pay attention, identify a baseline, evaluate gesture cluster, consider the concept. Eyes have it. You have to. Nowadays और मुश्किल हो गया यार. हम लोग मास्क लगा के we have to show that smile from the eyes. पता भी नहीं लगता person is smiling or what. That face and neck. And beware of cross legs.